Good morning to everyone. I am Arut Jivita, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce. So now I am going to take about the class about market and marketing conditions. Okay. So what is mean by market? Market is a place that where the two parties has going to take the gather to purchasing, buying and selling process has been done in that place. So that is called as a market. It has an exchange of products or goods that has been developed in the market. Okay. So next concept is marketing. What is mean by marketing? Marketing in the sense, the marketing is the process to getting the people interested to your company products or services. Okay. So what is mean by definitions of an marketing? So marketing is the actions of the business of promoting and selling the products or services including the market. So the research and the advertising process also that has been done in that marketing. Okay. So marketing means by getting the process that has been done in the marketplace. Okay. So what are all the concepts that has been developing in that marketing means? So there are the 4 P's of marketing. So that is a product, place and promotion. Now it has been developed as an extension of other 4 P. So that is an physical evidence, process and people. So next, what is mean by product? That product has to be developed in that market. So that product has to be sold in that right place. So the promotion part also has also be done in that market. So there are the 4 P's has been done in that marketing concept. So in that marketing concept, the production, product, selling and marketing concepts. So in that production process, the product has been produced properly and sell it in the market at the right time and the right person. Okay. So the consumer has been going to get a product with that market. So next, what are all the functions of marketing? The functions of marketing has been done in distribution, selling, financing, market information system, pricing, product or service management and promotion. So in that distribution process, we have to distribute all the commodities to the marketplace. So that buying process has been done. The people have to opportunity to buy the product and that market that has been to take their wants of the consumers. So the buying process has been done in that marketplace. So next, the selling process. The producers functions within the free market to sell the product to the consumers. The consumers has going to expect what are all the products that has been going to sell in that market. They are exciting to buy that product very easily. So the selling process has been done in that market. So next, financing. The bank and the other financial institution provides the money to production and the market of the products. So in that market, that the financing part is the major part. So we have to invest the amount to the business, then we have to produce all the products and the commodities what the customers they are needing in that environment. So we are producing all those things. Those are the finance part is the major part. We have to give investments for the production process. So after that, the storage part. So after producing all the commodities or the products that we are expecting what the customer needs, so we have to store it as a properly. So we have to protect until until that they are needed. So the functions are especially important for the perishable products such as fruits, vegetables, etc. So we have to give the protection to that commodities for their needs. So next, the transportation also we have to take the main major part in that. So the products must be physically relocated to the locations where the consumer can buy the product very easily. So this is very important functions. The transportation includes roadways or shipways or the airways. So through that truck also. So in that process, we have to give the proper communication through the telecommunication. For now, it is an non-tangible products such as the market information also we have to collect over that in the transportation process. So next one is the processing. The processing involves to turning a raw products like wheat into something the consumer can. For an example of the bread, So example, we have to buy the bread means the process is we have to give the product very easily to the consumers. So at last these are the marketing information concept that has been developed in that marketing. Okay, thank you.